Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some quick and easy home decor using mostly Dollar Tree items. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I will be using this welcome home decor sign that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now Dollar Tree carries so many of these large signs that you can use instead. So I'm going to start by removing the H, the M, and the O. I did try to be very careful because I wanted to reuse these letters, but they are made out of paper and like foam on the back. So I don't know, I might use them. I'm not sure yet. But anyways, the next thing I did is I removed the hanger. Now I did try to move the image in the front, but I wasn't able to. So I just flipped it around and used the other side. Using this plate, I will making like the corners round. I will be making a wine bottle out of this sign. Now for the neck, I use this piece of wood, and for the round on the sides, I use the plate. I did end up moving it more lower because I felt like the neck was too short, so I did make it longer. I used this wire cutter to cut this, but you can use some sharp scissors if you have some. I'm going to use a sandpaper to smooth out all the edges. And this is how it looks. I didn't like how that looks, so I do end up just fixing this a little more. Like the edges of this, I made it more lower. I will be painting this black, and after I had like painted the neck, I decided to make the label. So I am using some painter's tape to make like a square in the center. For this next step, you can use the Dollar Tree poster sticker letters. I decided to use my Cricut, and I did use the Dollar Tree vinyl. So I cut out the words "why not?" and I will be adding it to the label part. Dollar Tree carries this cork sheet that I was like, oh, I can add like a little cork at the top of the bottle, and that is what I did. So I just made like this little round shape and I added it to the top of the bottle. To decorate this, I will be adding some jute twine to the neck, and I will be making a bow using the same jute twine. Now I decided to use some of the cork sheet to add some to like right here. So I'm going to add one at the top and one at the bottom, and that is it. Look how beautiful this wine decor turned out. For my next project, I'm using another Dollar Tree sign. This one right here is actually from last year, but Dollar Tree carries so many different signs that look like this that you can use instead. So I'm going to start by removing the hanger. Then I'm going to grab the Dollar Tree cutting board, and I'm going to kind of use this as a guide to draw like a cutting board to this sign. Using my wire cutter, I'm going to just use them like scissors and cut these parts off. Now I'm going to use a scent sheet to smooth out all the edges. To make the hole, I'm using my drill. And this is how it looks. So now I'm going to paint this black. To decorate this, I'm using the same quartz sheet to add like a square in the center. These sheets come with adhesive, so all I did was add this to my board. I then used some poster sticker letters that I had, which you can use the Dollar Tree ones or you can use your Cricut to add whatever you like to this. I decided to add my kitchen, my rules. I wanted these to curve, so I used the plate as a guide. I decided to use my Cricut to cut out the word rules. I added some thumbtacks to the corner, but I did have to cut out like the little this part right here. I cut out some of it, not all of it. To finish this off, I added some jute twine to the handle. And I added like a little hook on the back, and that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I used another of the Dollar Tree signs, and I did cut off a piece out of this Easter sign. Once again, you can use whatever signs you want from the Dollar Tree. Now I am going to paint the edges black. I will be adding the word pantry to this sign. So I use my Cricut, but you can use the Dollar Tree stickers. Now using the same cork sheet, I added 2 stripes to the edge. And after adding these, I didn't like how that looks. So I did add some more black to make like a frame. And this is how it looks. Now I'm going to add the little hanger back on, and then I was like, you know what, I can add some of the thumbtacks to this, and I think this made it so much better. So that is it. Look how beautiful this pantry sign turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.